seen the kind of love and adoration Kendall and Ryan show for each other, there is no question why we are here with them today. Today is the first day of your life as one.
I'll be ready where the pieces fall tonight, if they fall again.
To my almost husband, it's hard for me to believe that our wedding day is finally here. I've been dreaming of this for just about as long as we've been together. But honestly, it's not the wedding day that I've dreamt about. It's my marriage to you. I'm choosing to marry you because I'm choosing to love you through all the joy and hardships that life brings.
Okay, look! Very bright. To my bride, I have been looking forward to this day since the moment I asked you to marry me. Being with you throughout the years has been the most fulfilling experience of my life. I could not have asked for a more loving, nurturing, and supportive partner. My life with you has been nothing short of perfect, and I'm looking forward to the many years we will share together as husband and wife. I love you so much, Kendall, and I will try my very best to show how much I love you every single day.
Kendall's mother and I had been praying since she was day one born for some future spouse to come in, be the right person. Yeah, we had a checklist. I mean, that's true. And Ryan has checkmarked more than we had. Hello. Oh my gosh. Okay, Ryan is going to love it. My gosh. She's the most beautiful bride ever. Oh, yeah. It's obvious. I know. It's really beautiful. My goodness.
If I were a pirate ship, you would be my anchor. You have such a calming presence that keeps me grounded and reminds me of your steadfast loyalty. Your best qualities make up for so many that I'm lacking, and that is what makes us the perfect pair.
It's an honor to wait here, floating in the wreckage where I'm wanted with my red.
Ryan, I love you more than words can express, and I am so thankful and excited to become your wife today. I am yours forever, sweet king of my heart. I love you, your bride, Kendall.
I've seen what in sickness and in health and till death do us part mean with my parents. So I don't take these vows lightly. I vow to support you and to challenge you. Most importantly, I vow to love you today and tomorrow and for all of the rest of my days on this earth.
You are, and will always be, the greatest thing that has ever happened in my life. I promise to always love you fiercely and unconditionally. I will continue to protect you from harm and comfort you in times of sorrow.
Stories untold. There's not a night when our time is gone. See you in
Kendall, I give you this ring as an everlasting reminder of my love.
Wear it and know that I'll always be beside you.
Through good times and bad, in sickness and in health.
And even when you keep me up all night yelling at your video games.
And even when you make me watch The Bachelor with you.
I promise to try to remember to fill up the Brita filter when it's empty.
I will always be there to clean up the dirty dishes when you leave them in the sink all day.
And I promise to stop rolling my eyes every time you quote SpongeBob. Not every time, anyway.
you, Kendall, take Ryan to be your husband?
I do.
Do you, Ryan, take Kendall to be your wife?
I do.
And with that, by the power invested in me by the state of Indiana, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ryan, you may kiss the bride.
Ryan telling me he liked Kendall, that she was cute and had sick dance moves. But he would have to wait a little while for her to consider him as a romantic connection. I mean, he was wearing a SpongeBob tank top. When they finally came together our senior year, I can't lie, I was a bit skeptical. But all skepticism was completely washed away when Ryan announced he would be moving to North Carolina to be close to Kendall as she pursued her dream job. They quickly became each other's rocks, and I'm so thankful they took that adventure together.
I would like to say is keep God in the middle of your marriage. Things aren't always good, but like your vows, I'm gonna love you every night, I'll go to bed angry. All those things that you said, we're all a witness. And so keeping God in the middle, in the center of your lives, stay grounded, focused. And so raise a glass to this lovely couple. Cheers.